Hindi naman namin iniisip na mananalo tayo, dapat mag-winner festivals tayo. Parang ini-enjoy lang namin. Hindi ko makakalimutan yung tiyaga at yung dedication na binigay ng buong staff dun sa project. First 5 minutes pa lang ng docu, ang dami yung nagsasabi. Akala nila na yun yung pinapanood nila. Talagang masasabi ng team na first ever in the Philippines and first ever in the world.
Talagang world class ang servisyon totoo ng GMA News and Public Affairs.
I want to see the statue of the leader. I want to see the woman in San Francisco and the most important of people in Israel.
Sunod-sunod na day, ang pagkaan mo